When is the life insurance suicide clause effective? Imagine planning your future with a life insurance policy, only to find out that certain deaths might not be covered right away. That's where the suicide clause comes into play. It is a key part of many life insurance policies, but knowing exactly when it applies can be confusing. Most of the time, the suicide clause is active during the first 2 years after you buy the policy. If the insured person dies by suicide within this period, the insurance company usually will not pay the full death benefit. Instead, they might refund the premiums paid, but the beneficiaries won't receive the death benefit. After this initial period ends, the policy treats suicide like any other cause of death, and the beneficiaries can claim the full payout. The exact length of this exclusion period can vary by state. For example, in Colorado, Missouri, and North Dakota, the period is only 1 year. In most other states, it lasts for 2 years from the start date of the policy. This period is designed to prevent people from buying insurance with the plan to end their life shortly after and leave a financial benefit for loved ones. During this time, if the insured dies by suicide, the insurance company will investigate the death to confirm it was a suicide. If confirmed, they will apply the clause and deny the death benefit. This investigation is standard practice and helps ensure the policy is not misused. It's important to note that the suicide clause only affects the payout of the death benefit. The premiums paid are not impacted by this clause. Also, most traditional life insurance policies, including term life, whole life, and universal life, include this clause. However, group life insurance and military life insurance often do not have a suicide clause, so they might pay benefits even if the death was by suicide. If you switch to a new policy, the suicide exclusion period usually restarts. But if you renew or convert an existing policy, the original period remains in effect. Knowing when the suicide clause is active helps you understand what to expect if something unexpected happens early in your policy. In simple terms, the suicide clause is effective during the first 2 years after your policy begins. If death by suicide occurs during this time, the insurer will investigate and typically deny the death benefit. After this period, suicide is treated like any other cause of death, and the beneficiaries can receive the full payout. Being aware of this clause helps you make informed decisions about your life insurance coverage and what it means for your loved ones.